Welcome back to Future Fuel, your ultimate destination for the latest updates in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into an exciting revival, the 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero Mini. This iconic compact SUV is making a big comeback, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge technology. Buckle up as we explore everything this little off-roader has to offer. History and legacy. First introduced in the early 1990s, the Pajero Mini quickly earned a reputation as a versatile, city-friendly SUV with the heart of a full-size off-roader. Its compact design, paired with robust engineering, made it a favorite among drivers who craved adventure without sacrificing practicality. After a hiatus, Mitsubishi is bringing it back for 2025, and it's better than ever. Recorded to memorize. The 2025 Pajero Mini stays true to its roots, featuring a retro-inspired design with modern touches. Its boxy silhouette is both functional and stylish, echoing its rugged predecessors. Up front, the Mini sports Mitsubishi's signature dynamic shield grille, flanked by LED headlights that exude confidence and charm. From the side, muscular fender flares and bold wheel arches emphasize its off-road capability. The Pajero Mini rolls on 16-inch alloy wheels as standard, with optional all-terrain tires for the adventure seekers. At the rear, compact taillights and a tailgate mount spare wheel complete the classic SUV look, perfect for off-road enthusiasts and urban explorers alike. Step inside and you're greeted by a surprisingly spacious cabin for a vehicle of its size. The interior is thoughtfully designed, blending practicality with modern comforts. Premium materials are used throughout, and customizable upholstery options let you tailor the space to your style. The dashboard features a sleek minimalist layout, anchored by a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system. This unit supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and voice commands, keeping you connected on the go. Mitsubishi has also packed the Pajero Mini with advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring a safe ride on or off the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Pajero Mini offers a choice of two powertrains, a 1.0-liter turbocharged three-cylinder engine delivering 100 horsepower, and an all-electric variant aimed at eco-conscious adventurers. The electric version features a 50-horsepower battery, providing a range of up to 200 miles on a single charge. Both versions come with Mitsubishi's renowned Super Select 4WD system, offering multiple drive modes to tackle various terrains. Whether you're navigating city streets, cruising on highways, or conquering rocky trails, the Pajero Mini is equipped to handle it all with ease. Please, space further to save things briefly. There is time to record this message and tip time. We must use this to time properly. Despite its compact size, the Pajero Mini is no slouch when it comes to off-roading. With a ground clearance of 8.5 inches and approach and departure angles designed for challenging terrains, this SUV punches above its weight class. Hill descent control, a locking rear differential, and advanced traction management systems further enhance its off-road prowess. Fuel efficiency and sustainability. Mitsubishi has prioritized efficiency in the 2025 Pajero Mini. The turbocharged gasoline engine boasts impressive fuel economy, while the electric version is a nod to the future, reducing emissions and operating costs. This dual powertrain approach makes the Pajero Mini accessible to a wide range of drivers whether they prefer traditional or electrified power. Mitsubishi is offering the Pajero Mini in 3 trims: Base, Adventure and Prestige. Pricing is expected to start at around $20,000 for the base model, with the electric version starting at approximately $30,000. Each trim offers a unique mix of features, allowing buyers to find the perfect match for their lifestyle and budget. The 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero Mini is a testament to the brand's ability to evolve while honoring its legacy. It's compact, capable, and ready to take on the modern world. Whether you're an urban dweller looking for a versatile ride or an adventurer seeking thrills on the trail, this SUV delivers on all fronts. Thanks for tuning in to Future Fuel. If you're excited about the new Pajero Mini, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the hottest cars of the future. See you in the next video.